In this video, I will show you how to run a shell script as another user who has no password. We will do this using the Ubuntu terminal. Let's begin. First, we need to create a new user without a password. In your terminal, type this command showing on the screen. This creates a new user named techskills. You can change the name if you want. Because we used disabled password, the user has no password. Now let's create a simple shell script that we want to run. In the terminal, type this command showing on the screen. This command makes a file called testscript.soh. It contains one line of code that prints a message. Next, we need to make this file executable. Type this command showing on the screen. Now the script is ready to run. To run the script as our new user, we use this command showing on the screen. This tells the system to run the script as the user techskills. Even though techskills has no password, it works because we are using sudo. You will still need to enter your own password since you're using sudo from your main user. And that's it. The script runs as the other user. Thank you for watching.